wax my mustache with me. If you just watched my previous video, I just got a package, my first PR, whoop, whoop, from Sexy Smooth Wax, and cut to the chase. Love it. Mwah. So I waxed some of my arm because I'm too impatient to use it on a client. And I like to use my products on myself before I put them on the clients. So I just did some of my arm, but I can't be done. So we're going to do my lip. I'm just genuinely shocked by the grip and the work time. You have a decent amount of time to, it's very forgiving. You have a decent amount of time to get done what you need to get done, which is really good for beginners. So I highly recommend, especially for beginners. And it's so smooth, so smooth. Like, just watch. Okay, I don't know why I'm obvious. Also, I haven't let it fully melt, so excuse that. So I'm pulling from the outsides, but I'm just so excited. I can't wait. I also forgot to get my little sticks, so we're gonna work with what we got. Okay. Oh, the smell. See that? Oh, the application's so smooth. Mm, nice. And I just waxed my lip not too long ago, and it's still got quite a bit of little baby hairs. Okay. Oh, the color. Sorry, I don't know why I chose to use a big stick. I can't, don't make me laugh. It's fine, really. Woo, doggy. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, the little fine hairs that this picks up. If you could see this in person, it's actually insane, and I'm not even exaggerating. The amount of fine baby hairs that this picked up off of my lip. What? I'm sorry. Oh my, I literally just waxed my lip not too long ago. I didn't even know I had that much hair. Okay, I will be repurchasing this wax 100%. If you didn't watch my previous video, I'm using the Cherry Desire by Sexy Smooth Wax, and let me just tell you, she is one of my new favorite waxes. I'll just say that. Okay, bye.